lovely creative beings. Today is a great day, I'm happy. Today is a great day, I'm happy. Today is a great day, I'm happy. Have I ever told you that when you do that, you cannot... What? Yes, you cannot be depressed or you cannot be in a bad mood. So this is my suggestion for you to do this daily. I also do this daily. Shall I say you? Shall I tell you that I'm very, very happy? I don't know really why, but I'm happy to be with you here in that moment. Maybe I say this because I don't know what to say today. I love being creative, and I know you also love being creative. And I wish that you have many, many, many good experience with painting, with soul painting, because I felt really that this kind of painting brought me so much happiness. And do you know why? It is really, really easy. It brought me so much immense happiness because I was thinking very, very less in this time span. Whenever I was painting, I felt to be in a own space of time. I felt to be in my own world, in my own world. And in that world, there were no problems. There was just joy and fun and playing. So, my little suggestion for you today is, whenever you are painting, feel that you are only playing around with no intent, or only the intent of having joy. There must be not an outcome of it. And everything what you are painting is good, is beautiful. Everything. Have a great day. you.